Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. I'm currently filming this from Slovenia. As I'm editing my first two videos, I just realized that I did not give any context whatsoever, and considering this is a brand new channel, I thought that would be important. But if you don't care about any of that, I totally understand that too. So I'll just put like a little timestamp over here. You can just skip to this time and you can just skip this part and just watch the video. Now, for the rest of you, thank you so much for joining me. If you've been following us before, me and my wife used to have a travel channel. We were digital nomads for about 7 years, and we shared our travels on the other channel. But after about 7 years, we decided that we needed a home base, and my wife really wanted to be close to her friends and family and kind of work on her own business. So we chose her home country of the Netherlands. But that also created a great opportunity for me to do something what I always wanted to do, which was have a motorcycle channel and get to tour through Europe with a motorcycle. Hopefully in the future, I'm going to go to different continents as well, but for now, we're going to focus on Europe. Now, as far as my first video goes, I went from the Netherlands, gone to Germany, through Germany, and on the second video, I leave Germany, going through Austria towards Italy, and then in Italy. And then on the third video would be leaving Italy and to Slovenia. And lastly, you're probably wondering why I started a European tour in October. And the truth is, I had to get my Dutch motorcycle license, and it took me about 6 months. The process was quite long, and there were three different tests I had to do, and each one had about 2 to 3 months between them. So it took me about 6 months, but considering this is October, the weather, like right now in Slovenia, is about 18 degrees. It's beautiful out here. I haven't had any real issues in terms of riding, other than the one pass I did in Austria, which you will see in the second video. Spoilers: I hit a little bit of snow. Other than that, it's going great. As further south, I'll be going towards Croatia, Montenegro, Albania, or even south of Italy. It's still in the mid 20s, so we'll see how it goes. And depending on how the weather goes, this might be a 1 month trip or 2 months, again depending on that and the weather, but we'll see. And we'll take it day by day. And this is just the first one. Of course, next year, once the weather gets better, we're going to be going on a lot more tours. But this is just to start with and kind of get an idea of it. I mean, I didn't even bring my drone, and it's different filming with action cameras versus on the other channel. We were filming mostly with like a DSLR, we had a Canon R5. So also adjusting to a different type of content creation. Anyways, I don't want to make this super long. Now that you have a little bit of context, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. In the future, I'm planning on making these videos sort of one video per day, rather than having multiple days in one video, depending on how it goes. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. And hopefully I'll be improving as I go along as well. Thanks again for watching and joining me. So enjoy the video. Hello.
Hello.
Coffee? Can I sit outside?
One cafe.
One. All right, so I stopped here quickly because I wanted to make myself some coffee. I have all the equipment to brew myself some coffee here, but as I'm taking everything out, I just realized that my bottle of water finished last night at the hotel. I don't have any water, so no coffee for me. Gonna stretch my legs a little bit. I got about another 150 kilometers to go. Unfortunately, there's about 30 kilometers I have to go on the highway, as you probably can hear me behind me. But yeah, we'll see how that goes, and we'll take it from there.